Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to share the location on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Find My app. Then at the bottom of the screen, just tap on People. Now from here, just tap on Start Sharing Location or just tap on the plus icon over here. And from here, just select a contact with which you want to share your location. For an example, let's select this contact. Then tap on Done. And from here, just select the time duration of your location sharing. Now, if you want to share your location for 1 hour, just select for 1 hour. And if you want to share your location for the whole day, just select until the end of the day. And if you want to share your location always, just select indefinitely. Now, for an example, let's select for 1 hour. And by doing that, you will share your location with the selected contact for an hour. As you can see, you started sharing your location with the selected contact. Just tap on Done. And this is how you can share the location on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.